Hi guys, so my name is Madeline Apsher and this is my introduction. I am sorry that you cannot see my whole screen, but you'll be able to see all my words and most of my pictures. So, the basics. My full name is Madeline Maria Apsher. Everyone calls me Eminem. I am from Lafayette, Louisiana, or Abbeville, which is a small little town south of Lafayette. I graduated from Vermilion Catholic High School. I am an early childhood teacher. I teach first grade at Brownsfield Elementary in East Baton Rouge Parish. And my dream is to one day teach kindergarten. I just love my firsties, but I do hope to one day maybe teach kindergarten or pre-K. I am currently in the Educational Technology Masters here at LSU, and I do hope to one day, if I'm not a kindergarten teacher, be an administrator for my district and work in the technology department and implementing technology on the educational setting successfully. So these are my animals. I have 4. Pepper is my dog. She is a therapy dog. And then you see my kitty Garfield. He was a baby in that picture. He's a lot bigger now. I do not have a picture of Smokey. He is a gray cat. And we have a fish named Sam that we got on my birthday. He's a betta fish. He's blue. My cats love him. He's their BFF. They all play together. So one of my favorite vacation spots is Disney. My favorite ride ever is Space Mountain. There's a picture of it down here at the bottom. We love a good beach. Love Alaska. I've been to 32 states and 8 countries, so I love to travel. It's one of my favorite things to do. At UL, I was involved in Alpha Delta Pi and spent a lot of time helping with Children's Miracle Network. This is my family. This is my mom right here up in the corner. Love her to death. These are my 2 cousins, Rachel and Megan, and this is my uncle and his wife down here. My uncle lives in D.C. I have 3 cousins. I also have a boy cousin named Nick. He's not in the picture, and like I said, my mom is my BFF. There we go. So these are my friends. They're basically like my family. We like to go out to dinner, hang out at my Big's apartment. We bake cookies till 1 a.m. usually. Take last minute road trips. My fiance Noah is up here. We are getting married in May of 2022. I tell him all the time that he is my permanent ice cream date. I love him to death. Oh, wrong way. I got stuck. Hold on. I got stuck. I don't know why. Oh, it's because I'm at the end. I was so confused. So yeah, so this is a little bit about me. Like I said, I'm a first grade teacher here in East Baton Rouge Parish. I can't wait to get my master's in educational technology and better serve my district. And I hope that we all have a great semester.